God made me cool.
Hi, I'm Nitro Neo. Welcome to my show. Today's tech tip is how can you score an hour meter. First, we move the screw under the seat. We lift up the seat at the back and slide it backwards. Then unplug the EFI connector. Disconnect the fuel line, press the ejector button and pull the tubes apart. Disconnect the fuel tank overflow pipe. Remove the screws connecting to the two side spoilers to the radiator bracket. Free the side spoilers from the radiators. Then lift up and remove the fuel tank. Clean the area where the hour meter is going to be installed with contact cleaner. Then remove any remaining contact cleaner with a wet cloth. Next, unravel the hour meter cable. Wrap one end around the spark plug connector about 4 or 5 times and secure it in place with a provided cable tie. Cut off any excess cable tie. And secure everything in place with electrical tape. Feed the remaining cables with where we're going to fit the hour meter. Trim off any excess cable. Feed the loose end of the hour meter cable through the hole in the hour meter and into the fixing hole. Fit the double-sided tape to the back of the hour meter. And place the hour meter to the bike frame. Leave some slack to the hour meter cable and secure it to a suitable place on your frame. Place the fuel tank into position. Line up the side spoiler fitting points to the radiator bracket. Mount the fuel tank overflow pipe. Reattach the EFI cable. Connect the fuel line. Secure the fuel tank by tightening the rubber grommet. Secure the side spoilers by fastening the cool bolts to the radiator bracket. Slide the seat forwards to the fitting bolt and tighten the bolt underneath. And that's how we do the job!